Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about one of the optional add-ons that's often overlooked, which is the stainless steel floor supports. These are meant to go in the 800s and the Weekend Warrior, but what these do are increase your holding capacity inside of your cabinet. Now this cabinet usually holds around 100 to 150 pounds without these floor supports. It can actually increase your holding capacity to around 200 to 250 pounds. Now these are $200 to add on. I commonly recommend them if you're working on heavy parts or if you add a turntable, since that takes up a bulk of the holding capacity in the cabinet. These will definitely do you justice in these machines and increase your holding capacity. Another little tidbit and bonus to this is that we actually clean these up in a glass bead and a vapor honing machine, so you can see the consistency that the glass bead gave to the stainless steel. Again, if you have any questions, call us. We're here to help. 828-202-5563.